today we're going to learn how to do some cartooning, and this is a fun little lady. We're going to start with the glasses. So start in the middle here and a little bit up. We're going to start with the little circle glasses like this. And then right next to the frame, we're going to do a big arch like this. And we're going to put the circle right next to the line like that. So that's her little eye. Here's some eyelashes.
I'll take over here.
And then we're going to do the other side of the glasses like this. And around like this. But we're going to stop there because we're going to finish the nose first. So the nose is going to come out like this and out and down and heading towards the lip. And then the next one, we're going to do the nostril and up around like that. Good. After that, do the other side of the eye. So this is a little bit tricky. It's going to go right next to the frame like that. See how this is a bit wider than this eye? That'll make it look good. And the eye is right, or the pupil goes right there. Oops, a little bit higher. And some eyelashes there too. There you go. Good, and she's going to have a little eyebrow here. And then a little eyebrow up here. Okay. And then we're going to do her lips. So her lips are fun. We're going to do a little flick like this. Down comes the mouth. I'm going to stop there and do some little two bumps. Bumpity bump like this. And then up like that. Then we'll do the bottom of the lip like this. And a little flick there. Good. And then the bottom lip like that. And you can do a mouth open or mouth closed, whatever you like. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so she doesn't look cross-eyed. That looks better. Good. Now, her chin. She's a nice little round face, so go next to her eye like here, and we're going to go out like this. And in and down. Okay? Next, we're going to do the ear. Start at the bottom of the lip and go over here. That's going to be her little earring on her ear. So do a little ear like that. Like that. Two little lines. And then from the earring, you're going to go in and down. So that's her nice little neck. You can add a fun drop. Make the earring look kind of fun. Okay, next we're doing the hair. Start at the top of the glasses. It's going to go out and in and out and back in. And then we're going to do some bangs above her forehead. So go from this eyebrow, go up, and then go over the other eyebrow. That's her forehead. And here's her part. I'm going to do a big woo, wee, and then back to her glasses. From here, you're going to go a big bulge, another bulge, and then another big bulge like that. Okay, so it looks almost like a cloud. And then this bottom one is going to just go behind the earring like that. And then we need to frame her face in. So start on this side of the glasses, down and in here, and then back in there. And then now all you need to do is just do a few lines to show there's multiple hairs. It's just a big mass of hair. There we go. And a few lines in here. Good. Right, just like that. There we go. And then, if you want to add a little necklace, you can do that. Just add something around her neck, maybe a nice neckline. And some shoulders. And there she is. You could add a little chin if you want. Here we go. And what else? I think that we'll just stop at that. Thanks. Thanks for watching.